Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Gardening, and in this episode we will look at the Maiden-Hair Fern. And I will be rearranging my prestigious ceramic container with these Maiden-Hair ferns. These ferns are grown for their distinct leaf shape that looks like a Chinese fan. So this container had a sword fern in it grown directly into the pot, so I had to carefully remove it from the pot without breaking it. I will be repotting this elsewhere. So I wanted to grow Maiden-Hair ferns in a plastic container and add it into the ceramic pot since it would reduce the weight of the container and I can keep changing different plants if I get bored of this. So the Maiden-Hair fern looks a little frazzled, so I'll be cleaning it a little and then we'll divide it into two. While dividing, you might get such small fronds with roots intact and you can use these to propagate new plants. You can stick such plantlets with roots into a well-draining medium, water them every day and keep it in a partially sunny east location. After dividing the plants, you can add them into the new container using a well-draining mix of 50% garden soil, 40% compost and 10% sand. If you don't get sand, garden soil and compost would do since they love moist soil. After I've repotted both the containers, I watered them with seaweed solution. After that, I place these containers into the ceramic pot. The rim of the black pot is peeking out now, but the fern will cascade and cover it over time. I've also added some begonias into this for some color. So this is how the arrangement looks after 4 months. The ferns and the begonias are doing well, but I know the fern will take over the begonia over time. So let's look at some problems with the Maiden-Hair fern and some top tips. So I first bought this plant thinking I'll grow this indoors, but oh my god, this one struggled a lot indoors, so I had to take it to my terrace where it got bright indirect sunlight and did so well that I'm seeing new fronds sprouting here and there. This is mostly due to their spores. Funny part is that I'm seeing this grow in a nondescript place like my staircase that has frequent water runoff. This is how plants tease you. Another problem would be that the leaves dry out and you may want to give it a trim during the winter months. So some of the top tips are: give this indirect but bright sunlight. Southwest location indoors would be ideal. Water this every day when grown outdoors, and indoors water this once a week during summer and water only when the soil slightly dries during winter. You can just add compost as fertilizer once a year. Mealybugs can be an issue, so use neem oil pesticide by spraying both above and the undersides. I have not faced mealies on this one yet. Absolutely avoid cold and frost. Bring it indoors if you experience snow or frost. So folks, the Maiden-Hair fern can act tough in its maiden days, but give it some time and the right care and see it thrive like never before. And with this, we've come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Gardening, and I hope you've really enjoyed this particular program. Additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. And always remember, to grow slow is to grow well. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again,